What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to paint this spoiler for the Mitsubishi Lancer, but first I'm going to clean it with car shampoo and then I'm going to scuff it and with a sanding grip, and then I'm going to paint it. So just to clean it I'm going to use car shampoo to clean it, because I don't want the dirt to get in the spoiler when I sand, when I scuff it with a sanding grit. So yes, now I'm going to do that. So after washing the spoiler and dry it, I'm going to sand it with 600 grit sandpaper just to scuff it, because I want to get rid of this shiny cover that the spoiler have, because with this shiny cover the paint is not going to stick. And yes, I'm going to scuff it with the 600 grit. So after sanding with the 600 sanding grit, now I'm going to wash it again because it's dusty, as you can see. So yes. So now I'm going to wipe everything with isopropyl alcohol to put the first layer of primer. So we are looking for to take out all the shiny parts of the spoiler, because with the shiny parts we cannot bond the primer or any paint in it. So I'm going to begin with the downside first, because it's easier for me to flip it like this. And yes, now I'm going to put isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm going to put the primer. So I'm going to use a normal primer that says also blonde to plastic. So I'm going to do 3 layers each of each paint. The first one is gonna be a light coat, then a heavier coat, and the third one also a heavier coat. So here's the first coat, a light first coat. I'm going to follow the instruction of the can, and yes, I'm going to wait 1 hour to put the second coat. And here you can see it with the second coat, and now the third one. Now I'm doing the top side. As you can see, I have 2 layers. It's a little bit dark because it's raining, but I think you can see it right here. This is the second coat of the top part of the spoiler. So with the 3 layers of each side of the spoiler, now I'm going to paint with a spray can, but with the color of the car. I went to an automotive paint shop and they put the paint in cans. So yes, now I'm going to paint. I'm also going to do 3 layers. And yes, let's hope it's the same color as the car. And here I have the first layer, and now wait to put the second layer. And here is the second coat, the second layer of the paint. So here is the third coat. Then I'm going to leave it like that to dry. I'm going to wait the paint to dry, and then I'm going to put the clear coat, and it should be the same color as the car. And here I use a 2K clear coat, as you can see. And here is the spoiler with the car. You can see the same exact color, but this one is a little bit dirty, but it's the same exact color, so it was a success. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I don't know if is in the next video I'm going to install it, but I'm going to install it in a video. So yes, and I'm going to show you how to install the proper way the brake light of this spoiler. So yes, I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.